Hi guys, welcome to CAD CA tutorial. Today we are going to see and use a offset entities command is discuss here. Okay guys, today discuss here SolidWorks lecture 16 is discuss here, and SolidWorks all commands learn easily, explain all these points deeply and clearly. Okay, and guys, offset entities command is very important drawing a 2D tools and 2D tools in SolidWorks software, and very important is offset entities command is discussed here. Okay, at first open a SolidWorks software. Okay, this is our SolidWorks software interface, and this plane is all plane is, you can see here easily, this front plane, top plane and right plane. Okay guys, you can see here all 2D tools command is all 2D tools is a not active. At first select a plane, then all 2D tools is active. Okay, then any plane is select here, we select a plane is front plane. Okay, click a sketch. Okay, and any line is select here and draw any geometry drawing here, and this geometry is a this and this is a perfect and this is a perfect. Okay, and exit. Okay, and this is a fillet is used here because this geometry is looking nice. Okay, and okay, this is a correct. Okay, this is a perfect. Okay, this is a correct. Okay, this is a this body is a drawing here, this is a Control Z, and this is a undo because this is a okay correct. Okay, mention any dimension is a this dimension is a okay, this is not this only this dimension is a 60, this dimension is 60 millimeter, and also this dimension is 60 millimeter, and this height is a this 40. Okay, this is a correct and both is a fillet is used here, radius is 10 mm. Okay, this is a right click and exit. This is perfect, and use a offset command is select here, and offset command is a distance between both side, upper side and lower side is a 10, then use a bilateral. Okay, bidirectional command is used here, and this is a click and then offset command is click here. This is a this distance between both side, upper side is distance is this is a basic line and upper side is offset, both line is this distance is 10 millimeter and also this distance is 10 millimeter. Increase this distance is a increase and decrease. Okay, this is a 12 millimeter is this is a correct. Okay, this is a perfect line. Okay, and also offset command is used here, and this add dimension is a click this, and okay, this is a perfect 5 mm is okay, this is a perfect. Bidirectional is not used. Okay, this is a one direction, and also this reverse direction is reverse, then use a this. Okay, this is a perfect, and direction is a this is a reverse direction use here, this is a correct. Okay, click. Okay, this is a correct, and again use a offset command is this command is a use here, and direction is reverse. Okay, this is a correct. Okay, this is a super, this is a looking is nice, and okay, offset command is very easily discussed here, and guys, I hope you will learn this command is very easily and clearly. Guys, any doubt about this lecture, then you go to comment box and write a comment. And guys, get at first more and more new videos. Please subscribe this channel and like and share. Okay guys, next lecture is coming soon. Okay guys, thank you.